Here are the starters for your.
If I could watch only one game this week, I think this would be the one.
Both of these teams have some great competitors on their roster, so look for some great individual efforts throughout the game.
The assist to Grant Hill.
Strips the ball. Only one man back for this two-man break. High contact, Bob.
That's what we've been saying.
Orlando increases their lead to 4.
The assist to number 3.
Looks like they want to go inside.
They can definitely get some points from down low.
Find your strong D.
To Hill. He pump fakes. Passes it into O'Neal. Oh, yeah, there it is.
That's a game-breaking 180.
O'Neal. He sets up the play.
Orlando come up with the call.
With the quick transition. Finger roll.
Orlando is lighting them up like a pinball machine going full tilt.
Snow sets up the play. The answer. If he gets a step on you, you can start running back up the court to set up on your offense. There aren't too many guards in this league with hops like Baron Davis.
That's right, John. He can sure fly.
To Davis. To McGrady. He throws the alley-oop. The Magic are up by 6.
Tracy McGrady. On the arm. This. You're right. You're right.
Rejected. This guy's an all-star, an MVP candidate, and one of the league's premier forwards. It's really hard to believe that one day a team was willing to trade him. Van Horn falls for the fake. Davis buries the shot.
He's got his game face on for this one.
I can't remember the last time he missed. Snow is trying to run some plays for the big man to get some production in the paint.
The defensive player timed that one perfectly and came away with the ball.
O'Neal, good fake. For 3. Davis misfired. Griffin grabs it. He sets it up on the right side. Davis is whistled for the defensive foul.
That's his first personal team foul, number 1.
The screener kept his head in the play and was looking for the pass. He's backing down. It's stolen. Orlando is showing us their running game right now. There's the alley-oop.
Straight from the highlight reel.
That's 6 points for the 4th-year veteran. He's a real full-court pickpocket.
Let's see if they can convert that energy into a made shot.
Van Horn with the steal.
2 minutes remaining in the first quarter.
Puts up the J. Pushes it up to Davis. Iverson with the defensive foul. Some of his teammates on the bench don't look very happy with it.
They know what the score is down, and they don't like watching those kinds of mistakes.
Davis hits the first one. Gets them both. Snow with the jumper. With the nice shot fake. Swatted away by Weber.
76ers ball.
9 on the shot clock. I thought he was going to tear down the rim with that two-handed jam. To McGrady. Hill with the J. McCullough brings it down.
Energy on defense.
Finger roll.
Has he got game? You bet he does.
Eric Snow.
He feeds him the hesitation. Davis with the fake. Back to Hill. To Webb. Rejects it.
Out of bounds. Magic ball.
6 seconds to shoot. Van Horn pulls it down. Davis picks up the defensive foul. The coach needs to settle some of his bench players down.
Definitely. This team needs to show a little solidarity right now.
Van Horn goes up. That's a 6-zip run. The 76ers reduce the lead to 6. Goes up. Weber misfire. Iverson boards it. He sets up the offense. This isn't the kind of player who needs 3 picks and a pass to score.
Just give him the rock to get out of his way.
Let's see if they can get something on this last possession.
Hey, the shot clock is no longer a factor.
Steal. Philadelphia quickly back the other way. Lays it in. They aren't getting it done in transition.
And it's costing them dearly.
To Hill. He puts up the jumper and drains the shot. At the end of the first quarter, Orlando leads 8. 1 quarter's in the can, and they've got the lead.
I hope they don't get too comfortable with that lead. There's still a lot of clock left to run in this one, and anything can happen.
Snow with a finger roll. Pass to Davis. To T-Mac. To C-Webb. Good both hands. There was no help that time.
This guy's going to have to learn to handle his man by himself.
Tracy McGrady.
After he drove past the screen, the passing lane was wide open. Snow is trying to get the ball into the post area.
If they can get points in the paint, it may open up the outside shot.
Hill with the steal. Davis handles the dish. He fakes. Looks at the 3. No good. Van Horn boards it. Snow initiates the offense. Passes off to McCullough.
Don't force. Out of bounds.
When a call goes against you, it's only natural you want your day in court.
Well, this guy's got his chance right now, but I don't think it's going to change anything.
Tries the 3. No. O'Neal pulls it down. To Hill. Strips the ball. Pass to McKee. They're trying to run some plays for the big men to get some production in the paint. To McCullough. O'Neal is called for the defensive foul.
Shaquille O'Neal. That's his first personal team foul, number 1.
To McKee. Williams with a great dish. To T-Mac. O'Neal gets him in the air. Now that's what I call a power jam.
The assist to Tracy McGrady.
You got to watch that player when he isolates his man. Iverson takes the shot.
Out of bounds. 76ers ball. Into the game for the Philadelphia 76ers. Number 6, Danny Manning.
With the jumper. No. Shakes his defender. Coming down hard with a tomahawk jab.
The assist to Shaquille O'Neal.
He sets it up. To Manning. The fake. To Shaq. To Weber. Passes off to O'Neal. Davis on the left side. Oh, he got all crossed up. He's been robbed. Snow wants to try and work it into the post here. Shoots. Williams hits it. Orlando needs to recommit to their defense.
They've got some good defensive players on the floor. They just need to get fired up.
Hill takes it hard to the rack. That's 6 points for the 9-year pro.
Chris Weber.
He ran his defender off that screen and got a great shot. To O'Neal, the fake. To McGrady, back to Davis, to C-Webb. To Hill. Davis takes the jumper. Snow is going to have to put a hand in the shooter's face to stop the other team's offensive attack. Snow is looking to go down low and get some points in the paint. McGrady pump fakes. Dish to Davis.
Out of bounds. Magic ball. Into the game.
The Magic have got it going right now.
This is what it means to play with a home court advantage.
Sends it to McGrady. To Hill. Three. He misfired. Mercer takes the board. Snow sets things up. McKee takes the shot. Quickly down court. Hill takes the jumper. Got it. The 76ers give up another.
Down in situations like that, don't start jawing at the ref. Get yourself back on deep.
Steal. That was a great individual effort.
This team is in a groove right now.
Dish to Davis. Pass to Hill. To McGrady. Goes up. No good. Manning takes the board.
Hands up.
Throws it down. The 76ers narrow the gap to 8. With a quick crossover. There's the fake. Tries the three. No good. At halftime, Orlando is ahead 30-22. They've got the lead, Bob, but how do they hang on to it?
They get the ball into the post and let some of their big men go to work. I don't think the other team can match up with them down low.
That's domination, baby.
The assist to Aaron Davis.
Hill is whistled for the foul. They didn't like what they saw from him that time.
This game is not going their way right now, and that's got them all worked up.
Snow puts up the J. He's stepping up his offense.
And that's just what his team needs.
Dishes off to Hill. McGrady at the baseline. Playing above the rim. Not a lot of players can pull off a 360. The Magic are ahead by 10. They want to try and work it into the post here. Unloads. No good. Hill brings it down. Just forget about it.
This game is going to turn into a track meet. These guys will have to get it and give.
Aaron Davis.
Snow sets it up on the right side. With the nice shot fake. Griffin misses the three. Hill pulls it down. Snow with the board. Dish to Van Horn. Up fake. Bats it away. Davis receives the ball. To McGrady. He puts up the jumper. That'll put pressure on the defense.
So far, they just can't contain him, Don.
Aaron Davis.
They feel they have an advantage down low, and they're going to try to exploit it. Iverson is trying to run some plays for the big men to get some production in the paint. Weber picks off the pass. Hill makes the finger roll. That gives him 10 points. That's an 8-0 run.
Weber.
Got me on the arm.
Shot blocked by Sewell. Backs him down. Van Horn with the J.
If the defense continues to leave him open, he'll hit that shot all night long.
They better come up with another answer, Robert, to the Diesel with a fake. McCullough with the steal. Seems to me they're looking to generate some points in the paint. With the jumper, Van Horn drains the shot. The 76ers cut the lead to 12. He's rolling now.
And he is feeling it.
He has 8 points.
The assist to
This man is holding court tonight.
And he's having quite a game.
T-Mac makes the lay-in. That gives him a game-high 12 points.
Shaquille O'Neal.
Jumping it down low seems to be a good idea, Don.
Well, Bob, they feel the other team just can't defend them down there. Steal.
Philadelphia is going to come up with a lot more steals with that kind of ball pressure.
The offense is looking to get something in the post.
They want to try to get the post players involved.
Yes!
He got shaped, baked, and rolled that time.
Takes the shot! Nails the J.
The assist to Chris Webber.
Snow is trying to get the ball into the post area.
If they can get points in the paint, they may open up the outside shot.
He gets their low post game going.
That's what they need to see in the second half, a barrage of high percentage points.
Snow wants to try and work it into the post here. Davis is whistled for the defensive foul.
Baron Davis, post foul in the last 2 minutes. On your right.
The screener rolling made that pass possible.
Griffin feels they have an advantage now, but they're going to try and exploit it. 6 on the shot clock. He pump fakes. Griffin misses the 2. McGrady gets the rebound. Davis with a finger roll. He's now got 12 points. That's a 6-0 run. Snow is looking to go down low and get some points in the paint. Swatted away by Shaq. The rest of the team gave him some room to operate. He comes away with it. To Davis. Pass to Webber. Hill fakes the shot. Gives it off to O'Neal. Steal. Philadelphia moves the ball up court in a hurry. Iverson makes the finger roll. He leads the team with 10 points. He pump fakes. To McGrady. To Hill. Puts off the J. That gives him a game-high 14 points. Going for 3. And no. At the end of the third, Orlando is ahead 52-32. Bob, in your opinion, do these guys have anything left in the tank right now?
Well, we've seen them try over the first 3 quarters, and we've seen them fall short again and again and again.
He passed on the shot so that he could set up another player. He's been wrong. They're off and running. He's got some sick dough. He's red hot with 16 points.
The assist to number 1, Baron Davis.
Snow sets the offense. McCullough is trying to run some plays for the big men to get some production in the paint. Backs down his defender. Sends it to Snow.
Out of bounds. Philadelphia ball.
5 on the shot clock. He'll shoot. Snow can't find the hole. Davis takes the board. 2 hands, 2 points. Orlando increases their lead to 24.
The assist to Baron Davis.
He sets it up on the left side. That's why you set screens. Iverson delivers another big basket. The 76ers narrow the gap to 22. Hill with the fake. This man is a serious athlete. Snow will bring it up
The
court.
assist to
He sets up the offense. This is a matchup they can take advantage of.
That's why we're seeing the isolation.
The assist
The
to
76ers got the lead to 22. To Webber. To Webber. The 3. No. Van Horn pulls it down.
Into the game for the Philadelphia 76ers.
He fakes the shot.
Aaron McGee.
To O'Neal. He knocks one down.
Stand clear of him.
He's now got 12 points.
Baron Davis.
Looks like they want to go inside.
They think they can definitely get some points from down low.
Batted away by the Diesel. To McCullough. He is such a tough assignment on defense.
And when he can lure you into a one-on-one showdown, you know he's going to cross you up.
McKee comes up empty. O'Neal collects the rebound. To Hill with the nice shot fake. To T-Mac. O'Neal handles the feed. Hill fires. No good. Griffin takes the board. Snow sets it up. McGrady with a defensive foul.
Tracy McGrady into the game for Philadelphia, number 5, Monty Williams.
To Iverson. From top of the key. Shot blocked by Davis. Takes his jumper. McGrady grabs it. Dishes off to Davis. To Hill. McKee picks up the defensive foul.
Aaron McKee.
Hill is not the man you want to put on the line.
Foul, number 1.
Sinks it. Hill misses the second. Manning with the board. Davis is called for the defensive foul.
This player will be near the top of the free throw standings for the season.
It'd be nice to see him take top honors in that category.
I'd say he deserves it.
Kicks it out to Davis. To Hill. To Davis. To T-Mac. McGrady receives the pass. To Hill. Three. No good. They need to get settled down out there.
You don't want just any shot. You want the right shot for the right player.
Launches the three.
They've got to play them a lot closer than that if they want to win.
That's domination, baby. That gives him 6 points. Orlando increases their lead to 22.
76ers, number 11, Todd McCullough. The assist to Baron Davis.
Passes off to McKee. Into McCullough. Hill is whistled for the defensive foul. First one, no good.
Into the game for the 76ers.
McCullough misses them both. Hill boards it. With the nice shot fake. With the quick spin move. To Hill. He comes away with it. Now that's what you call a win.
You can call it whatever you want to, Don. The fact is that scoreboard doesn't lie.
I still can't believe they're able to run the score up that high. Davis gets the board. Gives it off to McGrady. Right to the rack.
He unloads the two-handed jam.
Griffin fires it. O'Neal pulls it down. That gives him 5 rebounds. To McGrady. Stolen. Sends it to Snow. To Van Horn. He takes the jumper. Makes the shot.
He can feel it now. Oh, yeah.
Eric Snow.
Steal.
The defender got his hand out and was able to tap the ball away.
He has 10 points. To Davis. To Hill with the nice shot fake. He comes away with it. Tries one from 3-point land. Weber collects the rebound.
That's great ball pressure.
The final score, the Magic 65, the 76ers 46.